Hey everyone, Parkin Fitness here, ready to give you 10 tips when beginning your fitness journey. Tip number 1, go back to your house, open the cupboards, and get rid of all the shit that you have in there. I'm just kidding, get rid of some of the stuff that you have in there. Tip number 2, once you're done throwing out all the garbage that you have in your cupboards, you're going to go in your basement, you're going to grab your clothes, and you're going to throw them in the laundry. Because it's going to be like doing laundry for 2 people. If you thought you had any laundry issues before, well, you better sort that stuff out right now. Tip number 3, if you're a drinker, if you're a beer drinker specifically, get rid of it. You're going to take yourself to the LCBO, get yourself some liquor, then you're going to drive yourself over to, I don't know, Walmart, grocery store, get yourself some Diet Pops. You're going to mix those two up, solving problems here. Tip number 4, meal preparation. No more, I don't know what I'm going to make when I get home for dinner. You're going to know what you're going to make because you made it the night before. And if you didn't make it the night before, you're going to make it tonight for the night after, or maybe the night after that. So that's how you do meal preparation. Tip number 5, throw out all your complaints. Just ball them up, toss them out. No more, I got no time, I can't make any of my meals. Or, oh my God, work, I'm so stressed. No more excuses. Just relax and throw them out. Tip number 6, don't lie to your personal trainer. I'm not here to judge you. I'm here to fix you. If you don't want my help, then I guess, tell me lies. If you do want my help, then tell me the truth. Tip number 7, just be patient. Just because, you signed up to 3 to 4 months of training doesn't exactly mean that the magic is going to happen then. If you walk arms like this, it's going to take a long time. I don't know what's doing there. Maybe Russian. Not too bad. But really, key point to remember is just be patient. You're going to learn the proper form at first. Weights in the gym are going to go up. Your weight is going to go down. Unless you want to make your weight go up, then it's going to go up too. But just be patient. Tip number 8. If you got those friends that you think are bringing you down, they like to go out for that pizza, that ice cream after son or daughter's ball game, soccer, whatever. Well, you're going to have to say, hey friend, I'm sorry, but you're going to have to take a rain check until I check off reaching my goals in fitness, okay? Tip number 9, be on time. Be on time for your personal training session because I want you to warm up, 10 to 15 minutes before so that I'm not going to have to spend 10 to 15 minutes of your session warming you up. And finally, tip number 10. Well, tip number 10 goes back to tip number 2. Do not reuse old gym clothes, okay? If you've already used it, you're going to take it, you're going to put it in the dirty laundry, and it's going to stay there until it goes into the wash, not back on your butt. So finish off with tip number 10, and see you guys later. Oh wait, don't forget, check out parkinfitness.ca, as well as like and share Parkin Fitness on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.